Shady, you are a graduating student of the University of Bamenda, and today is a very special day to you and your family as well. And I'm sure today you are feeling a lot of happiness and joy deep down. So, how do you feel about a day like this in your life?
Yes, actually, it is a good day. It is a day of celebration. It's a day that we live to, taking into consideration all what we have been here, we have acquired since from the first day of the University of Bamenda in the National Higher Polytechnic Institute from the year 1 now to the current year 4. So we are obtaining a very good certificate that is not only a certificate, but it is a certificate that is really applicable in many things. So it is a really good day.
So, what are you studying at the University of Bamenda?
I study civil engineering in the Department of Civil Engineering and Architecture.
Wow.
That's what I study.
So, with what you have studied in school, how can you impact the world, the environment around you? Or it is only for maybe go and apply maybe in the ministry and start working? What can you do with your hand to at least enhance your environment where you are living right now?
Thank you very much. You know, civil engineering is a very broad field. It's a field where when you take a very good look at it, you see that many people will come and take part of it and go and earn a living. So civil engineering, first of all, a broad field. So it is a field that is independent on its own. You don't need to rely on the government, or you don't need to visit companies to apply there before you can have a job. It is a field that you alone, with what you have acquired in school, you can do a lot. You can start by doing or opening your own mini enterprise where, with the knowledge that you have acquired, you can do construction works, you can do maintenance work. It depends on the it depends on what you want to specialize in. You can do water, you can focus on water maintenance and water design. So it is a really broad field. So with the knowledge that I've acquired here, I can do work in all the domains in the civil engineering, precisely in highway engineering, structural engineering, and water resource management.
Wow, great. So now that is what you can do in your community with what you have studied here at the University of Bamenda.
Yes, if we want to look at it critically, at the level of the BH certificate, you are a junior engineer. You are a certified junior engineer, which means that you still need a 1 year to complete the course, because the course is a 5-year course. But with the BH in civil engineering, you can do a lot. You can look at some of the basic problems that are faced within our municipality. One of the basic problems faced by almost all the municipalities are the water crisis. So you see that with the knowledge of civil engineering, precisely in water resource management, you can design a dam, you can design a water catchment that can sustain the community. So that is one aspect of the department. Taking into consideration, going into other aspects in the field, we know we have been having collapse of building everywhere. This is as a result of lack of knowledge. You know, many people just have an idea in the field and they think that's all. But it is far beyond that. You have to acquire some skills, some engineering skills, so that you can identify appropriate materials to be used in a particular project. So it is very important to acquire these skills so that you will not only use materials that have been prescribed, but you know why you are applying a material in a certain course, in a certain area. So that is it for that.
So it means right now you are some sort of well equipped to in your department for so many things.
Yes, in as much as we are much more very equipped in many things at this level, but let not miss that there is still a need for you to complete the 1 year, because there is still a lot that needs to be added. Because with the knowledge you have acquired, even though you can design, you can construct, you can install equipment, but there is a need for you to enter in the order, and this has to be done only when you have acquired the master in civil engineering. So it is a need, it is a necessity, because if you don't do that, there are opportunities or there are work that you will not be able to do, not that you are not equipped to do it, but because you are not like certified to do it. So if there is a need to complete the 1 year, it is also in the aspect of obtaining the stamp that you need to be certified in the field.
It means now that your school has been certified as one of the school that can be directly admitted into in the order of a civil engineer in Cameroon.
Yes, the National Higher Polytechnic Institute, to be precise, has been recognized by the National Order of Civil Engineering Cameroon. What does this entail? It means that the trained engineers in this school are recognized in the national order.
Wow, that's
Because there were some tests that were carried out which make sure that the schools follows the appropriate programs that have been designed by the Cameroon for civil engineers, for the training of civil engineers. So we were quite fortunate that our schools respected the programs, and we were acknowledged and recognized by the order.
Okay.
So that was very important for us.
Okay, Engineer Shady, you have spoken well and I've heard you. It seems as if everything is just very easy in your department. So, are there some difficulties you face along the journey to be along this period that you're not as an engineer?
Yes, actually, we have some limitations. You know that our school is still a young school. It is a promising school that is still growing. At the level of the lab in this our school, you know, we usually have a 2 weeks of intensive lab training in Polytechnic Yaoundé and in Bafoussam. So those are the difficulties that we face because we have to travel for this knowledge that we need to acquire in the laboratory. So those are some of the limitations we have.
So, what can you tell the younger ones about your school?
Okay, concerning that, NAHP is a very promising school, especially in the Department of Civil Engineering and Architecture. We don't rely on government for bread, for daily bread. It is a fee that you need to come and equip yourself, and you don't need to apply to move up and down, seeking for job. You are already a job creator. One thing I must emphasize is that when you come here, you have to follow the procedure. You take your lectures very serious. You go in line with the programs, and at the end of the day, you are going to be well trained according to the national order.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shady.
Thank you very much.